Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 41058. The error reads, Query player data failed, disconnected due to backend services encountering an error processing the request. Please wait at least 30 seconds before trying again. Report this error to the issue council if the problem persists. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to load into the game. According to our findings, this error happens due to issues with the backend services. It may also come from network problems, DNS settings, or firewall restrictions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network and then try launching the game again. Simply turn off your device and router, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for a minute, and then plug them back in and turn them on. Then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Make sure you are running the latest version of Star Citizen. If there's an update, install it and check if this resolves the error. If the error still persists, then try changing your DNS settings. You can switch to a public DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare. Once done, check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then check your firewall settings. Make sure that Star Citizen is not blocked. If you are using a third-party firewall, add the game to the exceptions list. And if you are using Windows Firewall, then go to the control panel. Then open Windows Defender Firewall and allow the game through the firewall. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error doesn't resolve, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Sometimes network issues can trigger the error. So connect to an alternate network and see if the error still comes. If the error continues, then use a VPN. We found users who fixed the issue by connecting through a VPN. So choose any trusted VPN and connect to a different region, and then try to launch the game. At last, if the error still persists, then open a support ticket with Star Citizen Customer Service and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.